my international friends and partners, that we have very vigorous now approach to open the bank accounts for our these beneficiaries. And yesterday I was in Karachi having a meeting with Deputy Governor, State Bank of Pakistan, and he was more enthusiastic than myself. So you can understand the intent of all these stakeholders, and he was all out to support us to convince all financial institutions, all banks, that they will be providing this facility of Asan account to our beneficiaries who will open their account, and the transfer of money will be very easy and comfortable for them. They might go to BVM machines, they might go to ATMs where there will be BVM facility, they will go to the banks where there will be BVM facility. So 3 or 4 different options will be available, and there are very high complaints that the poor people are not getting the full amount when they go to the different facilities which are working as now. So all this means that we are focused, we are enthusiastic, and we are absolutely committed to make a big difference in the life of the poor person. And this savings scheme, I'm sure, will be a new feather in the cap of Benazir Income Support Program management. And we have the full support of our board and the government of Pakistan. And no words would be enough to thank our international partners who are so keen, and they are not only supporting, but they are excited to share this experience the world over. So poverty is not poverty in Pakistan. As long as a single person on this planet is poor, we all are poor. So we should work hard, and how can we support them? Without compromising their self-respect. So this saving is a message to all of them that you save, we will save. You take a step, we will take a step. And together we all will ultimately reach the destination where there will be no poverty. A day will suddenly rise when 20 million children who are out of school will be in this school, and they will be having all the facilities which you, me, and other privileged people do have. So thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for being partner of this whole scheme, and joining us on this day when we are opening a new chapter, and savings, the forgotten half, which is neglected even by the microfinance institutions. So this has taken this great initiative, and this is because of you. I pray that we all are able to see the progress and critically examine and evaluate this, and then learn from our mistakes, because it's all action research. So at the end of the pilot, we will be coming up with a very comprehensive and a large-scale program, and which will have the ability to change the behavior